Hi guys, rubber band power time again. Picked up this little kit in a charity shop. Cost me 49p. It's a propeller driven car, or wind powered car as it calls it here. Can you break the record for the fastest 5 meters travelled by wind powered car, or the farthest distance travelled? Yeah, okay. Well, I've already had a quick peek inside it. It looks like it may have been used before and then put back in the bag. But it looks like everything's there. There's even some instructions. So we'll put it together and give it a try. Right. Starting over there, those two bits, and those two bits. Oh yeah, they do fit. Okay, that fits together. Axle. Are they both the same? Yeah, they've got little keyways in them. Through there. This feels very much like it's one of those 3D printed kits. What have we got? We've got some little wheels and some big wheels. That keyway lines up with the slot. Okay, so they've gone together. That piece points that way. Okay. That piece goes on there. That's quite a big propeller. That piece goes on there. Oh, rubber band. We have several. Okay. Now, I was following the pictures, I wasn't actually reading the instructions. It does tell us to put the other axle in. It just doesn't show it in pictures. Well, that's it. It goes on to talk about winding it up clockwise or anti-clockwise, depending on which way you want it to go. Okay, that goes that way, and if we wind it up the other way, it's raining outside. Probably hear it coming on louder. Yeah, that's going to work in both directions. Okay, well, we'll set that up to go up and down the kitchen. That way was... yeah. Okay, we'll do it this way. Right. See how straight it goes. Oh, that's fine. I didn't wind it up very far because I wasn't sure how fast it would go. I'll give that another go. Just for fun, I've added my mini camera on there. Excellent, full distance. That's 8 meters we've done there. I'll see if we can come back the other way and come near the camera. Well, that works. Summary time. It's brilliant. It works really well. Yeah. I mean, I haven't attempted to do what it says on the box, which is a distance challenge or a speed challenge. I'm just happy it works the way it works. And I'm comparing it directly to this one, which I made the day before. Rubber band powered propeller engines, Kids Labs by 4M. This one's a bit too light, really, certainly the way it stands at the moment, and I had trouble getting it to go straight, and the steering is very sensitive. This one, because it's got 4 wheels, is a bit more stable, directional stability. So I'm sure I could spend more time with that one and sort it out, but on the day or 2 days, this one is the better option. Right, to be fair, it's got a much bigger propeller on it, but it's a slightly heavier car. So I like the look of this one, but I like the performance of this one.